And so for our transformations investigation, we've already talked about conducting the investigation on the graphical model using Geometer Sketchpad. Now we're going to take a quick look at doing the investigation on Excel for understanding the numerical model. So I have my Excel sheet set up here, and first of all I need to make a bunch of X values. So I'm going to start at -3, and you can start wherever you like, but I'm going to start at -3 by typing -3 in. Now I want you to use formulas to do this, and so don't type in a -2. In cell B4 I'm going to add 1 to whatever is in cell B3, and I do that by typing the formula equals B3 plus 1. There we go. Now the beautiful thing is I can now go edit, fill, down. And so that's under the edit menu, fill and down. You can't really see it, but it copies that formula into every cell. And so I have very easily done in one click what would have taken me a lot of work. Okay, now my function is the quadratic, so basically just x squared. I want to take what is in cell B3, and I use the little hat, and I want to square it, and there we go. It's done it for me. Now I use edit, fill, down, and it's all done. Okay, now you don't have to do it this way, but this is a handy way to do it. We're going to see what happens when we add 2 to everything. And so I'm just going to type in a 2, and I go edit, fill, down. And now, to get f at x plus a, I just have to take cell C3 and add cell D3 to it. Edit, fill, down. And I am going to see what happened to this numerical model, what happened to everything in that numerical model when I added 2 to it. I should also see what happens when I add -4 to it. So it shouldn't just stop there. However, it's fairly straightforward. Okay, when you're done, either of those, summarize your findings on the sheet. So when you add to the function, etc., then upload them. Okay,